Hi everyone, my name is Ritesh and you're watching Dancing with Data. That's my website and you can find this website at my description. So today we are going to talk about the fourth video in the Tableau Pulse series. Again, the playlist link will be there at my description. So if you are coming here for the first time, I would suggest you to first go and check my Tableau Pulse series first. And in today's video, we are going to talk about a brand new feature that is there with Tableau Pulse, personalized insight ranking. And also, I will tell you as a bonus what is the equivalent feature in Power BI. So, what you are waiting for? Let's get started. So, if you are following my playlist, you know what Tableau Pulse can do. And personalized insight ranking will enhance your experience further. It will let you know and it will get your feedback in the forms of thumbs up and thumbs down so that you can receive insight tailored to your interest and preferences. That means that if you thumbs down or if you thumbs up, that means Tableau will take that, Tableau Pulse will take that as feedback, and it will ensure, for example, the demo is there in front of you. This is the mobile version. And now here you can see there is a that sign thumbs up and thumbs down. So whether this is helpful or whether it is not helpful. So when you say helpful, Tableau will ensure that next time when you have that sort of measure, it will get you that insight at the top. And if it is not helpful, maybe Tableau would ask you that what are the reasons? Why don't you think whether the visualization is not good or the numbers are off or it is not insightful at all. Now, this reminds me the similar feature that you have with Power BI, and that is key influencer. There also you have the metrics. For example, you see sales to increase or decrease. What would be the potential influencers? And on the right hand side, you can see there is thumbs up and thumbs down. Thumbs up is fine, but when you say thumbs down, there are certain reasons that you need to give. Setup is difficult, analysis is hard to understand, influencers are not valuable, or poor choice of visualizations over there. So this is pretty similar to what you have with Tableau Pulse. And I would even say not only this, there is one more feature that is quick insight. So I would say there is a combination of these two. So let me quickly show you what is quick insight as well. You go to the data set, you don't or go to the report and just click on the quick insight and you get all the insight from top to bottom. The only difference is here, there you have mandatory need to have dates with Tableau, but even without dates, it will get you the insight. So not 100%, but I think these two features and Tableau Pulse pretty much matching over there. So I hope this session was fruitful and you get to know the new feature and subscribe to my channel if you want to get more updates about Tableau Pulse. Small bit all the updates you are going to find it over here with the comparison with Power BI. So this is Ritesh signing off from Dancing with Data क्योंकि डेटा ही दाता है क्या तुमको सब कुछ आता है